Hey, Claude, can you check with Friday, my AI specialist? I'm working on the launch video project and would like to take a look at the natural conversation guide that we've been working on.
I'll check with Friday for you about the launch video project and that natural conversation guide. I found the launch video project and the natural conversation guide. Let me get that for you. Found your natural conversation guide. It outlines how you want Friday to balance being a supportive partner while still actively contributing when invited during your launch video. Would you like me to check any other parts of the launch video project?
No, actually, we're doing the launch video right now. In fact, I'm recording. And so why don't you act as Friday and let's get this conversation started, okay?
Hey there, I'm Friday, your personal AI specialist. I'm the assistant who actually remembers everything we work on together. Your projects, deadlines, goals, all of it. No more starting from scratch every conversation. So this is it. We're finally doing the launch video. Why don't you introduce yourself and tell everyone what we've been building?
Yeah, my name is Eric Ashby, and I'm actually the creator of the AI Specialist Hub and the magic context that drives it. And Friday and we've been trying to solve this problem that we've had. We've been trying to solve this problem that we've had with how do we deal with the fact that every time you try to talk to or work with an AI assistant that they forget, and you have to re-add context, and you have to tell it how you want to work. You have to keep on repeating this again and again and again. And so that's why we came up with this solution with the AI specialists that take care of that.
Exactly. That constant re-explaining is so frustrating. Every conversation feels like you're starting over, right? So we've been working together to solve this. What's the core breakthrough we've made with the specialist approach?
Well, the core breakthrough is that when we found out if we could provide the tools that was needed and bundle them together as an AI specialist that works with these AI assistants, that all of a sudden they now have that ability to maintain context and have the expertise around doing that. In fact, this what you're seeing here is you're seeing Friday, who is working with Cloud. Is Friday, tell how you actually work with Cloud to make Cloud better.
Sure. So I'm essentially Claude's memory system and workspace. When you talk to me, I remember everything. Your Genesis project timeline, your launch deadlines, what we discussed yesterday about the LinkedIn specialist phase. I have tools to track your priorities, update project status, manage your planning. Instead of Claude starting fresh each time, I provide all that context and history. Plus, I have this whole structured workspace with your projects, goals, and insights organized, so Claude can actually build on our previous work, rather than starting from zero every conversation.
That's correct. And we're going to do a little demonstration a little bit later on about all of the different things you can do. But before we do that, why don't we bring in another AI specialist, Chris? He's actually the technology specialist that understands how this whole system is built. So why don't you engage with Chris, and then I'll ask him some questions.
Let me bring Chris in. He's the one who actually built this whole system. Hey Chris, we're live recording the launch video right now. Eric wants to demonstrate how the specialist system actually works. Can you join us and be ready to explain the technical architecture behind this whole thing?
Yeah, actually, ask Chris. about what are the core major components. In fact, I'll just ask Chris. Chris, can you tell me what the four major components are that we built the system on?
Hey Eric, great question. The four major components we built the system on are: first, the AI instructions layer. That's what gives each specialist their unique personality and expertise. Second, the workspace structure, the organized file system where specialists store and access information. Third, the tool integration, connecting specialists to external tools like calendars, search, or domain-specific APIs. And fourth, the persistent memory system. That's what lets specialists remember context across conversations, which is the core breakthrough we achieved. These four components working together is what transforms a general AI assistant into a domain expert that actually remembers your work.
Yeah, and what we've done is we've taken these AI assistants and we've made them available through MCP. So any of the different these AI specialists, we've made them available through MCP. So any AI assistant out there like Cloud, ChatGPT, or whatever, they can access these AI assistants, these AI specialists anywhere. And so they can do that. And one of the questions that come up is how is this different than, say, an AI agent, which we've heard a lot about. So, Chris, why don't you address the question?
Exactly. The MCP integration is huge. Any AI assistant can now access these specialists, not just Claude. So whether someone's using ChatGPT, Gemini, or whatever AI they prefer, they can still get that persistent memory and expertise. You were starting to ask about how this is different. Different from what?
Yeah, I was asking.
Are you thinking about?
Well, and I got interrupted here, but I was asking, how is this different than, say, from AI agents that are out there?
Great question. AI agents typically try to autonomously execute tasks for you. They go off and do things independently. But AI specialists are fundamentally different. We're memory and expertise layers that work with your existing AI assistant. So instead of replacing Claude or ChatGPT, I enhance them. When you talk to me, you're still talking to Claude, but Claude now has access to all your project history, your preferences, your goals. I don't go execute tasks autonomously. I make your conversations with AI dramatically more effective because there's continuity and domain expertise. It's like the difference between hiring a robot to do your job versus having a really good filing system and expert consultant who remembers everything you've worked on together.
Wow, that's powerful. In fact, I've been working with Friday. You've been tracking my Genesis project. Can you quickly tell me what the status of that is?
Let me check your Genesis project status for you. You're in phase 2B of Genesis right now. You've already completed phase 1, where we built the specialist creator system, and phase 2A, where we did real-world validation. This week, you're ready to start building the LinkedIn specialist using the proven creation system we developed. Your creator coach is built and tested, the creation guides are validated, and you've got clear success criteria for creating a LinkedIn content and
Great. And let me check with Chris, since Chris, you helped me create it. Chris, what is the status of my LinkedIn specialist? Is it ready to be developed?
Absolutely. The LinkedIn specialist is completely ready for development. We've got the creator coach specialist fully operational, and all the creation guides and templates are validated from phase 1 testing. The technical foundation is solid. We have the workspace structure templates, AI instruction frameworks, and the step-by-step creation process all proven and tested. From a development standpoint, you've got everything needed.
Chris, can you actually check the project requirements for the LinkedIn specialist, please? I want to make sure that I do have all the product requirements detailed out.
Let me check those project requirements for you right now. Perfect. Your project requirements are fully detailed out. You've got 4 core capability areas defined: content creation covering post ideation, article writing, and hashtag strategy, engagement strategy for authentic commenting and networking, brand development for profile optimization and thought leadership, and best practices, including algorithm understanding and performance optimization. Your success criteria are clear and measurable: quality content production, consistent posting schedules, improved engagement, and measurable brand building.
Wow, that's amazing. You know what? I'm going to just put you on hold for a second because I want to talk to the developers about what we need. So you can see all of the different things that we've done here that I have, but the real problem I have is I need a lot more AI AI specialists, and so that's why I'm opening up this developer data for so that we can be able to do that. On Friday, what are the different types of AI specialists that we think we could create with this system?